Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to remove an unwanted object from a photo. So, let's begin. Step 1. Launch your favorite web browser and enter ImgLarger.com into the browser's address bar. Step 2. If you haven't logged in yet, into your AI ImgLarger account to access its potent capabilities. Step 3. Explore the array of AI ImgLarger features by scrolling down, select AI Object Remover to proceed. Step 4. Upload your image. Click Upload an image to select a photo for processing. You can also drag and drop image files from your computer directly. Step 5. Customize the brush. When the image is ready, a new window will appear. Use the provided tools to define the area. Adjust the brush size and strength to your liking. Step 6. Mark the unwanted object. Move the brush to mark the area containing the unwanted object, whether it's a person, car, spot, or more. Step 7. Erase with precision. Click Erase and let the AI Object Remover works its magic. In seconds, witness the unwanted object disappearing seamlessly. Step 8. Reveal into the transformation. Your image, free from unwanted distractions, stand out. That's it, AI ImgLarger, where artistry meets innovation, all through the realm of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.